XB Marketing here, and it's been an amazing journey so far, taking you through how to create a Cpagrip account down to start making money on Cpagrip. I'm going to show you someone who is doing my method on Imgur. As you can see, this person has gotten over 36,000 views, and if you scroll down, you can see people are engaging with this content. As you can see, 20 minutes ago, people are still leaving comments on this post. You can see 18 minutes ago, 34 minutes ago. So that tells you people are still engaging a lot on Imgur. And that tells you there's a lot of money to be made from this platform, especially if you do everything I'm about to show you in this video correctly. So before we go into the method, I'm going to show you some analytics of how Imgur is doing. So if you come over to SimilarWeb, you can see Imgur gets over 300 million visits every single month. And now if we scroll down, you can see most of its traffic comes from tier 1 countries, as you can see right here. So before we get started, I'm going to show you a quick preview of the video. So as you can see for yourself, it's a very simple video, nothing special about this video at all. And as you can see, with all the views this video has gotten, imagine the creator of this video leaves a link to a content locker. You can imagine how much this person is going to be making just from these views alone. All right. So now the first thing we are going to do is to pick a niche, and I highly recommend to go for niches people are passionate about. And an example of such niches are the pet niche, because people are very passionate about their pets. So you want to come over to your Cpagrip account, and as I've mentioned before, this is a demo account created specifically for this series. So you want to go over to the monetization tools, and you can use any of these monetization tools, but I highly recommend to go with URL file lockers. So before you continue creating your locker, of course, you will need content that you want to give out to people. Okay. And to do that, you can simply go over to platform like idplr.com. And if you do that, there's a category for pets and animals. And this is where you can find products that you can content log and give to people who are interested in this niche. Or you can simply come over to the search section and you can type in keyword related to that niche. So once you do that, you're going to see a lot of products that you can content log and give to people away for absolutely free and make money in passive income. So now I'm going to take this product here as an example. As you can see, all about cat training. As you can see, this product is free to download. All you simply need to do is to register to IDPLR and you can download this product for free. So once you do that, you want to basically come over here and copy the link to this product. Then go back to your Cpagrip account and you want to come to the logged URL section. So this is where you want to paste in the link to that PLR product. So once you do that, you want to select any template of your choice right here. Okay, so I'm going to take this template since we want people to download a file. So as you can see right here, I have edited the content of this template. As you can see, you want to make sure to type in complete one offer below to continue download. And you want to make sure to toggle this auto show offer. All right, so once people come over to this page, they are going to see that, oh, they have to complete one offer and they will be able to download this PDF. So once you do that, this is all you need to do to create your locker, and you want to click on save. The next step is to create a landing page. You can use any landing page builder of your choice to do this, but I'm going to take breezy.io in this video. As you can see, this is a very simple landing page created from breezy.io. As you can see, it's very simple and straight to the point, has all the information about this product. All people need to do from here is click on this download button and they will be taken to our URL file locker page. And if they complete the offer, we make money and they get access to this page where they can download this product for free. So if you want to use breezy.io, all you need to do is to create an account. And once you do this, all you need to do is to click on the create new project. And once you do that, you want to click on create. And from here, you want to then click on create from scratch. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page and you want to click on this plus button. There are numerous templates here that you can choose from to create your landing page as fast as possible. But this was the template I used in this example. All right. So once you come over here, you want to basically replace this image. And if you do that, you'll be able to replace this image with any image of your choice. So once you do that, the next step is to come over here and you want to delete this section. You want to basically come back to this page. As you can see, they basically provided all the information of this product for you. all you just need to do is copy and paste. So as you can see, in less than 2 minutes, this landing page was created on Breezy. The final thing you want to do from here is to just change this to free download, and you want to align it to the center. Then you want to come over to the URL section. So all you need to do is to come back to your Cpagrip account. You'll be able to copy your URL file local link. So once you do that, all you need to do is to paste it here, and you're done creating your landing page. You want to come over here and you want to click on publish page. So once you do that, your landing page is going to look simple like this. And now as you can see, if I come over here and I click on this download for free, as you can see, it's going to bring them to our URL file locker. And now it's going to tell them to complete one offer to get access to this ebook. All right, so that is all you need to do. And the final step now is driving traffic. And now you want to go over to platform like tumblr.com. And if you come over here, we want to look for content people like in this niche. And to do that, all you simply need to do is to go to the search section and you want to type in hashtag cat. So once you do that, as you can see, it's going to show us all content that are currently getting a lot of engagement on tumblr.com. And if this content is getting a lot of engagement on Tumblr, it's definitely going to work on Imgur as well. As you can see, these are a lot of cat videos and a lot of cat images you can use on Imgur.com. So all you simply need to do, as you can see, if we take this video as an example, you just simply want to right click and you want to then click save video as. So if you do this, as you can see, you can save this video directly to your device. All right. So you want to make sure to also give credit to the owner of this video when using this video, just like this. As you can see, source, and you want to type in their username. So once you do that, you want to then come over to Imgur and you want to click on create new post. And if you do that, as you can see, this is where you want to upload that video or that image you got from Tumblr. All right. So once you upload your videos or images on Imgur, you want to come over to the comment section. So you want to write a captivating post like this to make people engage with your post. I wonder if anyone here has seen this training for cats. Was it helpful? And this is where you want to paste in your link. And also you can add an image of the product. All right. So all you need to do then is to post this. And if you do that, you start driving traffic to your landing page like this. And keep in mind, the more posts you make, the more traffic you get to your landing page and the more conversions you're going to get.